The renovation of the George I. Sanchez building is the culmination of years of effort and planning by the College of Education. We are so grateful for generous support from donors and the Office of the Provost. Reimagining education requires us to work together to be bold, innovative, and ambitious. The renovation supports our commitment to the university's core mission to educate students and conduct groundbreaking research. Although it's less exciting, an equally important aspect of the renovation is the chance to update much of the infrastructure in Sanchez. In addition to beautiful new spaces and a more open feel, we're extending the life of the building, ensuring that it will be a serviceable home to the college for years to come. Although we miss seeing all of you on campus, it turns out it's a great time for a floor-to-ceiling renovation. While occupancy is low, disruptions are minimal. Thanks to amazing support from donors, the Office of the Provost, and University Improvement Funds, the George I. Sanchez building will be a source of pride for our entire Texas education community. We're eager for you to experience these new spaces, which honor the essential roles that education and health play in shaping and changing lives.